In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a shortcut to a folder that maybe you visit quite frequently. So a shortcut is basically a little link that you can make that will automatically direct you to whatever the location is, whatever the shortcut is. It could be a website, could be a folder, could be a file. It's really anything that you would like to make it. So I'm going to show you how to do this with a program and how to do it with a folder. So if you want to do this with the program, you right click on the program, you go to show more options, you go to send to, and desktop create shortcut. That will create a shortcut for you on the desktop, and you can see it's a shortcut by this little arrow icon on the image of the program. But I don't want to have a shortcut to the program. Instead, I want a shortcut to the folder that the program is in. How you do that is you right click on the name of the folder. So up here, if you select it, so I just left clicked and I highlighted it, right click and I hit copy, and I can go over to my desktop, right click, go to new, and shortcut. And it's going to come up with a new window that's asking me where the location of the item is. And this can be a website, but it can also be the location of a folder. And hit next, name it whatever you would like to name it, and hit finish. And as you can see, it picked up that it was a folder. It is a shortcut, and if I close out of this, I can open it back up, and there is my shortcut to that folder. Okay, thank you all very much. I hope this was helpful. If it was, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment on the video. And until next time, have a great rest of your day. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.